Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Chime credit builder card. Now the first step is to apply for the credit builder card, and what you want to do is open the Chime mobile app or go to the website and log into your account, and then you want to go to the credit builder tab and apply for the credit builder card. Now the step 2 is to set up your credit builder account. All you want to do is once your card has been approved, just create a credit builder account and set up your payment schedule, and then you want to transfer funds from your Chime spending account to your credit builder account, and that will take us to step 3, where you're going to use your credit builder card. Now you can use your credit builder card to make purchases online or in store. You can also use that to pay your balance. You can also pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges on your card. Now the fourth step is to monitor your credit score. So you can log into your Chime account to check your credit score. You can also monitor your credit score progress over time. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Chime credit builder card. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.